Hello, everyone. Today, I'll speak about making a fresh asylum claim or further submission and what is the key to make your claim successful. Otherwise, what is the main reason most of the asylum claim is refused by the Home Office? Now, asylum claim is basically when you came in the UK and when you have a worry outside the UK, when you have a genuine fear of prosecution because of your belief of your religion or political opinion or member of a particular society, and you own a fear that you'll be prosecuted unlawfully or returned to your home country, then you can seek asylum in the UK under immigration rules and as well as under refugee convention. But before that, what you need to satisfy is you must be eligible to define as a refugee under refugee convention article 1. Now, if your asylum claim refused, and if your circumstance has changed subsequently, new evidence you received what you hadn't before, or your personal circumstance changed since your asylum claim refused, you can make a fresh claim. Now, one of the important thing, as I said at the beginning, that the majority application is issued by the Home Office is credibility. Now, throughout the whole process, in your from the appointment to your initial screening interview, as well as in your substantial interview, you have to be honest with the Home Office. If you are not honest, if you give wrong information without supporting evidence, then your asylum claim is more likely will be refused by the Home Office because of your credibility. So I always advise in social media as well as when I face to face with the client, don't tell a story to the Home Office which is not genuine. If you are genuinely in position to of refugee, if you genuinely owe a fear, and if you have experience, or if you have if you think that you will be prosecuted unlawfully, then you tell the truth about it, Home Office. And if you are honest, you give right information, and then of course your claim will have good chance to make it successful. Now, so what is the fresh claim? Now, as I said, that fresh claim, let me show you on the screen first how to claim, how to make the fresh claim. And then I explain you basically about fresh claim or further submission, what is the advantage and what you need to include in the claim, okay, and the procedure. So let me know. If you want to make a fresh claim, so what you need to do first, you need to contact with the Home Office for the submission unit for appointment line. This is the number where you need to you need to call them and then make an appointment. Once you make the appointment, then they will give you an appointment letter. On that time, you need to go to Liverpool to submit your further submission application. Now, that form you need to take with you in the appointment this is the form what is called further submission. So this form is very straightforward. It's not complex. Just need to complete the boxes, write your name and what evidence do you have, and it's only around 5 pages and 2 pages need to fill up, and the rest is all the information. And then need to sign your name and date of birth, date of submission. These are the EB form for further submission. Now, what is the concern here? Well, the main concern is here. Well, this is the form, although very little. However, if you just submit that form, in my personal opinion, from my experience, you have less likely, you have less chance to make your further submission and your claim successful. In my opinion, when I submit a fresh claim, I provide new evidence. What is the change of circumstance? So now, new evidence is very important. The main purpose of this further submission is new evidence. The new evidence which was not available, and why the new evidence is relevant in your current case. So, what I do, I prepare a case. I prepare a bundle like court trial. What is the new evidence is and why it is relevant for this case, and how this case is the new evidence also relevant for human rights applications. If you're human rights grounds, say for example, right to life, or right to Article 8, private and family life, or unlawful prosecution, unlawful torture, unlawful detention. So these are the, I link up the new evidence, asylum claim, and the ECHR human rights, and then I prepare the case. I do within the law, according to law, I explain that position is, and I explain to the Home Office why the Home Office should consider your claim as a fresh claim. I add your case background. I write about your personal circumstance. I give an explanation why your previous application refused and why you couldn't provide the evidence what you have now, and how I also give some grounds of previous refusal. I explained that a Home Office would have or could change the decision if the Home Office would have this evidence what is available now for the applicant. So this is the process, and this is how we prepare a case. So my advice will be, if you want to make a fresh claim, or if you want to submit a further submission, by the way, fresh claim and further submission the same thing. Now, if you want to make a fresh claim or further submission, my advice will be, just don't rely on this form. Rather than get a consultation with a lawyer, discuss your case, discuss your new evidence, and prepare your case. Provide an explanation, provide a witness statement, what happened and why you need to make a fresh claim. Now, there are a couple of advantage for a fresh claim. If you seek an asylum, if you had already seek an asylum, and if you go to a normal asylum process, it takes nearly 1 to 2 years to get a decision. But in fresh claim or further submission, normally we get decision within 6 months. So this is the advantage. So if your case is good, if you have established the weakness of previous refusal, then you can provide a new evidence to overcome the weakness of that last application. And overall, normally in fresh claim there is no further interview or anything like that. What it is based on what evidence you're submitting, what grounds of your claim you are submitting, what statement you are submitting. So based on the paper, basically Home Office make a decision. This is how it works. I hope this information will give you a basic information. This is not a legal advice. If you need any help from myself, or please feel free to contact from my contact details bottom of the screen. My name is Sohail Ahmed. I'm the principal solicitor of SWF Solicitor, and we are located in Milton Keynes. We have also a satellite office in London, so you can feel free to make an appointment face-to-face. We also provide advice by a video link, so if you need, please feel free to contact with our office. We'll give you advice remotely. If you need any other, if you don't speak English, please let me know what language you prefer, so we'll arrange an interpreter if you require. So this is for today. I hope this information will help you. Thank you very much.